Hi, this is Garrett from Land Rover Buffalo. Today we're going to show you how to use your Land Rover InControl remote app on your mobile phone. Within the Land Rover InControl remote app, you have a bunch of different things that you can access within your phone. So you can see from wherever you are in the world how many miles until you are empty. If and when you have a plug-in hybrid, it'll even show you how many miles until you need to charge. If you go to security, it'll let you know if anything is open or closed within the vehicle. That includes doors, windows, hood, and trunk, and you can even get a notification if the vehicle is unlocked. In 15 minutes after you walk away from the vehicle and it is unlocked, you'll get a notification to lock it within the vehicle. If you go to status, it'll let you know if and when anything is due, like a service interval, if you have low coolant, low washer fluid, a check engine light, or anything of that matter. You can see it right there. And if you go to remote, this is going to be the most popular thing within the app that a majority of our customers like to use. If you go to temperature, you can adjust exactly where you want the temperature to be. So if it's cold out, you can set it all the way up to high. If it's cold out, or excuse me, if it's hot out, you can go all the way down and bring it to a low temperature and press and hold. It'll tell you to keep holding. You'll let go where it says starting. And then in a moment, you'll get a notification saying that the vehicle has started and the fan will pulse. You can start and stop the climate wherever you are in the world, whenever you want. So if you'd like and you're not going to go out to the car any longer, you just tap stop climate and then it'll say stopping, and then you'll get another notification saying that the climate has stopped. If you want to go to door lock, you can see if the doors are locked or unlocked. All you have to do is drag and drop the lock icon, and you'll get a notification saying that the doors are now unlocked, and you can do it again to make sure that they are locked. Once that's complete, you also have the option of doing things like beeping and flashing your lights. This is supposed to mimic what the panic button would do on your actual fob. All you would do is just press and hold down here, and it'll work just the same as the climate and the door lock. The last option would be under journeys. You can see everywhere that you have traveled. So if, for example, you want to see where you last were, you can see the exact mileage. This is great for anybody that likes to track mileage for work, or just kind of look at your fuel economy. So for example, my commute today was 20 minutes. My average speed was 36 miles per hour. And I went 13.6 miles from home to the dealership, and my fuel efficiency was leveled at 24.7. This will be triggered every single time you get into the vehicle as long as you enable it. And the last would be under here, you can see the vehicle nickname, you can see the VIN, and you can see any of the other options within the app that you can access. So if you want to look at your current subscriptions, if you want to look at how-to guides, you can even go into the Land Rover USA website, and it'll detail how to access certain things within the car. And then lastly, you can see any of the privacy information within the app. And that's the Land Rover InControl remote app. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope to see you soon at Land Rover Buffalo.